I'm Doug.
And today we're going to cook a rack of pork spare ribs on our offset smoker.
Alright, so we got our ribs all seasoned up with barbecue rub and on both sides with the membrane removed. And then we got our rib ends and trimmings over here. We're going to season them up with taco seasoning because most of our leftovers become tacos. Alright, we're back outside and we're gonna set the ribs up. Right there. Girls up the side. It's all in my eyes. Today we are burning applewood and it is hot.
I said it down.
Alright, the ribs have been on for an hour and we're gonna spin them so they cook evenly. Yes, all looking good.
Alright, so for our taco mix, we're just going to add some chicken stock. Go ahead and foil it. It's been cooking pretty hot, so we're foiling them at the 2-hour mark. And then for our ribs, we got some peach jalapeno jelly. And we're going to grab them and cook them meat side down. Add a little chicken stock in there too. And we're going to go ahead and cook them for about another hour.
So it's been an hour. We're gonna take out the ribs and we're gonna take them out of the tin foil. Let the ribs tighten up. Yeah, alright, so the ribs have been cooking for a little bit and they're almost done. We're just gonna sauce them a little bit and then we're gonna cook them for a few more minutes.
That looks good, bud.
That's good. Alright, so it's been 4 hours and we're gonna get ready for the taste test. We're just gonna cut it here. There's the smoke ring and can't really squeeze it. But I don't know.
Alright, do the taste test. Flip them over and cut Tim a rib.
Yep.
Oh.
There you go, Tim.
Thanks. Is that good? Down.
Texture good. Texture's good.
Good. Mama, get her shoes and snatch some shoes. We'll be right back. What's this one? Alright, come on, sweetheart. Yeah. You got them?
Sweet, but also like Not spicy, but like tangy kind of thing. Pretty good.
I don't know.